president says his country was ready to work with Pakistan to jointly promote cooperation among the regional countries. The United States Western allies have dismissed the Trump administration bid to reinstate international sanctions on Iran. Turkey President Erdogan, a Turkish drilling ship, has discovered a natural gas reserve in the Black Sea. Iranian envoy says UN nuclear chief Grossi to visit Iran this week. Pakistan seeks a global role to prosecute Indian personnel for worse terrorism in India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The US imposed visa restrictions on 14 Iranians, including a one-person chief. UN envoy said Syria constitution talks in Geneva an important step. Libya UN recognized government announces an immediate ceasefire. Pakistan COVID-19 recoveries reached 2,75,317. In India, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has criticized the Modi-led BJP government over state of the economy, unemployment and controversial Rafale deal. In Afghanistan, 9 pro-government local militiamen have been killed during clashes in the Har province. Pakistan ingredients making all the difference in Indian food.